whenever we do training, whenever we release modules sa ating pong members area, it is likely that you have to watch it again. Do not assume na panood mo na, ay, alam ko na yan. Watch it again because you might have missed something. Some questions sa isip mo na nasagot na pala ron, or some steps that you probably miss. You have to watch it again. Be a student of life. Be a student of business because otherwise, mamimiss po ninyo. Andun na sa training natin yan eh. I tried, really gave my best whenever you hire a freelancer, or how to outline a product, or how to write a sales copy, or how to write an email. Panoorin po ninyo, and I suggest yun muna yung pag-aralan niyo. Minsan kasi it's tempting eh. Bumili ka ng audiobook about marketing, bumili ka ng ebook about marketing, bumili ka na naman ng another course about this stuff. Tempting yun eh. Nakaka-tempt kasi they gonna show up sa Facebook. It's tempting to think na, oh, I need to learn this thing too. I need to learn this thing. Oh, I'm gonna pay for this one again. No. IBMC alone, trust me, is more than enough for you to launch a successful business. Once kumikita ka na, once malaki ng business mo, so you will have a different challenges, then that's the time na maybe you want to invest on something else so that you can move to the next level of your business. But for now, I'm assuming you guys are starting. Whatever we have right now, whether writing sales copy, an email, creating a product, market research, driving traffic, that is more than enough for you to get started in this business. Okay? Simplify to multiply. More output than input. More output than input. Yan ang ibig sabihin, ano po sa tingin ninyo? Take more action than learning. Reading. Watching. Watching nyo lang po yung training natin. Trust me, my friend. Trust me. Just focus on this thing. You will get an amazing result.
Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.